Yo, Cosmic Fam! Ready to recap the Space Voids 101 and flex some void knowledge like a pro? Bet you're hyped! Welcome back to VoidVentures, your Gen Z space plug where we drop the dopest cosmic recaps that slap harder than a TikTok banger. Today, we're hitting the Void Basics recap, rounding up everything you need to vibe with those massive empty kings of the universe. These aren't just random gaps, they're the OG flexes shaping the cosmic game. What are voids? How'd they pop off? We're zooming through the cosmic web to give you the quick and dirty lowdown on why they're the emptiest MVPs out there. This ain't your snooze-fest science class, it's a next-level crash course to stand voids like you've been on this ride from day one. Whether you're new to the squad or a void vet, we've got the tea to keep you locked in. Ready to flex this cosmic recap and vibe with the basics that make space voids the ultimate space glow up? Let's roll and spill it all. Alright, let's drop the Void Basics recap, your crash course on space voids, no fluff. It all kicks off with the Big Bang 13.8 billion years ago, when the universe was a hot mess of particles, straight chaos. Gravity rolls in like a boss, clumping matter into galaxies, stars, planets, the whole blow up. But where matter flexes, voids are born, those empty spots left behind. They start small, just gaps in the cosmic soup, but here's the tea, they're the OGs of the cosmic web, the universe's dope blueprint. Fast forward, and voids are flexing hard, taking up 80% of space while galaxies hog just 10%. That's right, these empties are the real estate kings. How'd they get so big? Dark energy, that shady cosmic juice, starts pumping them up a few billion years in. It's like voids hit the gym, stretching from millions to hundreds of millions of light-years wide. Take the Boötes void, 330 million light-years of pure nada, or the local void near our Milky Way, chilling at 150 million. Scientists like the Sloan Digital Sky Survey Squad mapped this fire, showing voids as giant bubbles in the web, pushing galaxies to the edges like cosmic bouncers. They're not just empty, they're architects, keeping the universe's layout snatched. Why the hype? Voids are low-key legends. They balance the cosmic vibe, without them, galaxies would clump into a hot mess, no aesthetic. Simulations like Illustra's spill it, voids grow with dark energy, guiding where stuff pops off. They're the silent MVPs, flexing since day one and still evolving. So, that's the recap. Voids are space's empty kings, born from chaos, pumped by dark energy, and running the cosmic web. Next time you're vibing under the stars, know these basics, voids are the real glow-up behind it all. The Void Basics recap? Space voids are the empty kings you need to stan. They run the cosmic game, and we're obsessed. VoidVentures is your plug for more space heat, don't sleep. Smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and share this with your squad. What's your fave void basic? Drop it below, we're vibing. Catch you next time on the Cosmic Recap, Explorers.